destination is on the right.
Yep, there it is. Senditsteve's F450 or Super Duty. Alright guys, so I finally met up with Senditsteve and we're gonna walk around. We're gonna do some walk around of his vehicles.
How you guys doing? If you guys don't know, this is obviously my 08 F450. The beloved 6.4. Everybody absolutely hates the 6.4, however, I absolutely love it. This truck has been a solid truck. If you don't know, this thing's been buried up to the headlights in mud. This thing's been off-roading, I'd say at least 5 times a month. And it's, you know, it's been a workhorse. It's been a solid truck. If you're in the power stroke game, definitely buy a 6.4.
I love how you just pulled out your camera.
Yeah.
It's like so tiny.
Yeah.
I was like, you came out, I was like, where the hell is the camera?
Yeah, everybody always is like, what do you vlog with? Just a GoPro. It's, you know. And every now and then, whenever I forget it, I just use my iPhone. Yeah. Basic and simple is how I like to keep it. Yeah.
Right, let's do a walk around of your F450 and your new project for the build.
Definitely.
For the channel.
So where do you want to start? You want to go to the nicer side or the...
Whatever you want to do. It's your truck.
All right, we'll go to this side.
All right.
All right, so if you start over here, you can tell that this water has been in the mud. I'm not sure if you can see in there, but it's still some mud in that headlight.
Oh yeah, I see a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
A lot of people don't understand, but it is a little bit, you know, belly button high. And I'm not a small guy, but I'm definitely shorter. But we just have the wrap on the bottom. It's a 6-inch FabTech lift on semi wheels, obviously. They're 40-inch tall tires. Just a basic simple setup. I use it every single day. It's actually my daily driver. People don't understand that. They're like, why do you daily such a big vehicle? I just love it. I love driving the big truck. Everything I have is usually big, except for our new project, which we have out back. Yeah.
All right. Well, anything you need to tell us about your F450?
Just it's obviously built engine, built trans. Has a BD trans in it. It has a forget who built the engine. Performance Diesel Warehouse actually built the engine, but there's a complete rebuild kit on the engine. It was done actually almost 200 miles ago. So it's, or 200,000 miles, not 200 miles ago. 200,000 miles ago, the engine was rebuilt. I actually bought this truck with a blown engine, and then it all got rebuilt into what it is now. So it's studded, deleted, tuner. It actually made, I think it was 694 horsepower, and it made like 1370 foot-pounds of torque. So Ooh. it's 10,000 pounds. Yeah. It's a heavy truck, but it's stout for what it is. Maybe we'll go for a ride a little bit later, but it's healthy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Definitely built well. ARP head studs, everything like that during the build. But don't mind my McDonald's that you see. Like I said, we just picked up the project vehicle, but it is a muddy truck.
Oh, wow.
No one understands that I do take this thing off-roading. So it is obviously the Lariat, everything's in it. The McDonald's obviously was from our road trip yesterday on the car that we just picked up, but she's a work truck.
Yeah, I love the mud.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll wrap the inside of my truck like you.
Definitely. And there's the water line. Nice. We have had it up to water. It's been saturated in water the whole way through the truck, but yeah. She's a work truck.
Yeah, it still works.
Yeah, still runs and drives. I did replace the fuse panel in there because that was underwater. So we did that just so that I didn't have to have any issues. But obviously it's the dually Senditsteve logo. You can't go anywhere without that.
Right.
Yeah. I don't even know, some cheap aftermarket taillights. Actually, no, these are...
Spider?
I think these are Recon lights. I think these are... Even those have mud in them. Maybe I should keep this thing out of the water. But yeah, these are actually legit lights. I think these I bought from... I think these are Recons. I don't know. You don't quote me on that, but I put cheap eBay ones on it, and they just got destroyed. These ones look like they're taking on a little moisture, but they've been on the truck for about 8 months now, so... Can't really complain.
And you've been fully sending it too.
Oh, so. Everywhere. Yeah. This truck gets used for sure.
Yeah, I see you like on off-road with this.
Definitely.
Crazy.
This thing's run over cars. It's done anything and everything you can think of. This truck has done, and it's done it well.
That's
so
right.
I can't complain.
This is where you do your demolition derby stuff.
Yes. It looks good. I mean, it looks bad right now, but it looks good right now. Usually it's a mud pit up here. So we just got fresh stone laid down, and I'm thinking about paving it. I'm not sure yet, but I might actually pave this area to kind of knock down some of the mud. But yeah. Then we have our C4 project.
Nice.
A biohazard. So we actually picked that up off a Copart for $300. Yeah.
Jeez.
Definitely.
Have you posted a video yet?
I did just post a video of this yesterday, which I don't know when you'll see this, but I posted this video Thursday of me picking it up. Then I'll do a drive video and everything, because it actually does run and drive. Okay. Surprisingly enough, for $300, it's a running and driving Corvette.
Well, since you've already posted it, I'm going to tell everybody to go watch it.
Yeah.
Leave a comment below on your video.
Definitely.
Let everybody know that you came from my channel, or they came from my channel.
Definitely. This is going to be a fun rebuild. We're just going to do a quick little rebuild on it. I'm probably going to wrap it rather than paint it. I know I've got a bunch of, you know, bad comments saying that I shouldn't wrap it. I should actually put the money and paint it. But it's just going to be a quick thing. I don't want to have a bunch of money into it. And to get it painted this time of year is just, we're in Pennsylvania. Yeah, exactly. So it would just get destroyed. I'd have to let it sit for 6 months to cure, or 6 weeks, whatever they want to do. So just wrap it real quick, and then if I do have it in the summertime, we will paint it in the summer. But I highly doubt we'll have this car that long. Yeah, just going to be a fun car. Play around with it, restore it, and list it for sale.
What's your estimated, I guess, time of finishing the product or finishing the build?
This actually should be done, provided I do the body work fast. It's just going to be body work basically. But once I start into the body work, which should be the middle of next week, I should have it fully wrapped. Interior and everything should be here. I think it's coming the end of next week. So 2 weeks tops, this car will be done. Dude,
that's awesome.
Yeah,
it's gonna be an exciting next 2 weeks.
Definitely. I'm excited about it, and I'm gonna do probably every other day a video of it. It won't be every single day. Yeah, I don't want to bore people with just Corvette content.
You still gotta send that with your truck.
Definitely. Plus, we also have the lifted Civic still. We have the Corvette, which was this was supposed to be a donor for that gigantic Corvette. But this thing's just too nice. I can't tear it apart. So.
Where is your Civic?
It's actually in my shop. Yeah. Which, I don't know time frame, but we could go over there if you want. Yeah.
Senditsteve has been exposed. What is he using? Not even using proper tools.
I don't own any real tools. I just use pliers for everything.
Dude, that takes special talent, though. Using pliers for everything.
It's hard not to round stuff off, that's for sure.
He built that Civic with pliers.
You know what?
Welded the Civic with pliers.
Yeah. If you can come back tomorrow, we'll go over there. And that thing, you'll see it, and you'll appreciate the fact that it runs and drives. Yeah. 100%. Yeah, a lot of people are like, this thing is rough, which it is. It's rough. But the fact that it has backyard engineering and it works is impressive. Yeah. It's pretty impressive. If I must toot my own horn on that, it's definitely impressive that thing still runs and drives. Yeah. Plus, I mean, some of the welds are mine. So the fact that the welds held up through jumping it, rolling it. Exactly. It's kind of really impressive. I should go get the right tools.
Hey, it's working.
It is actually working, surprisingly. These are actually Torx bits, too.
Nice. I don't even know how you did that.
I don't either. I just grabbed it to see if it would work, and it actually works. So I'm not going to complain. This was a silly design by Corvette to put their battery behind a little panel.
You mean GM didn't think about something when they designed it?
I don't know what they were thinking on this one. But it's simple, but it's kind of a pain. Now you see why I drive a Ford truck. Not really. I just drive it because it's cheap.
That's true.
If you want a cheap, reliable power stroke, find one that's bulletproofed. Or not owned by me. Don't buy anything from me.
You guys heard of cat skin? Well, here is the pizza box.
Yes, this is a new thing that we're working on. It should be in production by 2097. But yes,
it's a pizza box leather.
That's because.
There you go.
Yeah. But for $300, I mean, let's be honest. Yeah. How can you really go wrong?
Where'd you even get the pizza box from?
My trash can.
Oh, okay. Still got the grease and everything.
Yeah, this is actually a fresh box. But the fact that it says biohazard, I was a little nervous, and I didn't really just want to sit in there and take whatever that thing had. But
see, I'm really curious to see what that actually means. Do you know what that means? Did they tell you?
I found a moldy rag under the dash, which later on, which I don't know if the video's out yet or not, but the heater core actually leaks in this. Okay. So somebody put a rag under there to catch the water that was running down onto the floorboard. Well, that obviously over time turned into mold. So that is actually the biohazard for this vehicle. Okay. Yeah. So if you didn't see it, I'll have a whole video about it later on, or you did already see it. I don't really know how it's gonna fall.
Dude, you should put your dog in here like 3 hours later.
Yeah.
It's like, oh my god, you got a 6-toe.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. He's definitely creepy.
This Corvette gave my dog 6 toes.
Definitely. That's what I should do. Put him in it, and then pull him out and put him in it.
Yeah.
Like, what in the hell? Oh my god, look at his feet.
Yeah.
And then there's
You should
6
do
toes.
I think you should do it. That'd be funny.
Definitely. I gotta find this key now.
There you go. First startup?
Yep. Well, like 15. First startup on the new battery.
Nice.
That old school 80s smell to it. I love it. Yeah. Definitely. Just gonna get a freshen up. We're gonna do everything. New plugs, wires, coil pack, distributor. We're gonna do everything.
I don't know how many of you guys are actually like Corvette fans from my channel, but if you are, if you like cars and like car builds, go follow Steve.
Definitely.
Go subscribe to him. Oh yeah. Actually, you're about to hit 100,000 subscribers.
Hopefully.
So, hopefully I can send some of my fans or subscribers to your channel to get you to 100,000. That'd be really cool.
That would be cool. I appreciate it. And I'll send my people to you.
Yeah.
We already.
There you go.
Yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited to drive this thing and actually enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah. My last Corvette I didn't get to enjoy. It was just too modified and it just broke all the time.
Right.
So this one will just be like a nice mild build, drive it and it'll look good. And it's 80s, so you don't really want to beat on it.
Yeah, exactly.
Like that other one was just fast and it sounded good and I just always wanted to beat on it. This here we're just gonna cruise.
And it looks like it's in good condition too to me, so like you don't want to beat on it.
No, not at all.
Somebody take care of it.
We definitely want to take care of this one. Wow, that 80s smell. Oh, yeah.
Like that?
I love it, man. Dude, for $300, the fact that it runs is amazing.
Exactly.
Like, I'm just excited about that.
Yeah. $300. That's like cost of like headlights.
Yeah. I had $790 to get it here, and then as of right now, I have about $1,100 into making it run and drive. We'll just call it that. But then with all the other mods, we have way more into it than that. But you guys will see that later on down the road. Or you won't, whichever.
All right, well, I gotta go because, well, my cousin and my girlfriend, they're ready to go, so.
Yeah. I bless their heart. I wouldn't want to sit in a truck. No, I bless their heart. I wouldn't want to sit around and hang out. Some people aren't car people. Yeah.
That's true. We've been traveling literally like all week, so they're ready to just go home and relax.
I'm actually looking for my keys. I'm not actually doing weird stuff.
Hi, Steve.
See you, buddy.
Roll the outro. I don't have one.